Should I allow my 15-year-old daughter, who has been dating her 16-year-old boyfriend for 6 months, to get an IUD as she requested? Okay, let me reword this question to see if it helps you figure out the right answer. My daughter is 15 years old, and has been having intercourse with her 16-year-old boyfriend for 5 months. She's actually willing to talk with me, her parent, about this, which is frankly amazing, the more so since I am so ignorant I actually think she's not having sex. At any rate, the question is, should I get her on one or preferably more than one form of birth control, or would it be better to become a grandparent? My friend told me this. You're worried that helping her get birth control is going to mean she starts having sex. Your worries are misplaced. What you want to worry about is helping her not get pregnant. Any advice?